Now let's talk about animations. If I click on this animations and then go to animations instead of this zoom and pan, I'll just click on animation. Here you will find lots of animation. For example, you will find restore, you will find no opacity, full opacity, tilt left, tilt right, scale up, scale down, and all these animation. And you will also find this custom animation. Now most of the time I just use this custom animation and animate my video or clip in the Camtasia studio. I don't usually use this other animation, but still I will show you how to add this animation also. First I will import my media here. I'll just drag this logo. Now this is the still image, so I can increase and decrease its duration. Okay, now if I just click on animations and then add the animations, such as I will first scale down it. Now I'll just add the animation scale up. Okay, now I can move my animation where I want to put it. Okay, like this. If I play this clip right now, it will scale up my animation. Okay, other than that I can also increase and decrease animation timing, or I can move my animation from one position to another position. Okay, and if I want to delete this animation, what I'll do, I'll just click on animation and click on delete key. It will delete my animation. Okay, now let's talk about custom animation. Now for example, if I add this custom animation, I can do to my image whatever I want. Now if I play this clip, you will see nothing will happening. Okay, that is because we have not selected the endpoint. Now at the start of this animation, I want this it start from here and the size of our image is small. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just click on this endpoint. Okay, now what I'll do, first I will decrease its size and then I will move it here. Okay, now if I play this clip, you'll see animation. You can create lots of animation like this. Now what if I add another clip here? Okay, I will just drag this orange logo and again I will increase its duration size. Now I can just copy this animation and then paste it here. For example, like this. First I will decrease its size also. I'll decrease its size. You can see it just snapped into place. Okay, this is very cool feature. And okay, like this. Now what I'll do is I will just copy the animation of this clip and just click on copy, and then I will select this clip and just click on paste. Okay, now you see it just added our animation at the start of our clip. Now what I'll do, I'll just click on animation and move it little bit further. Okay, and if I move it here, you'll see nothing because both are on the same place. Now what I'll do, I'll just move it little bit further. Now if I play this clip, you'll see really cool animation. Okay, you can add as many animation as you want. For example, if I add another animation here, like I will add another animation at this position. Okay, and I'll move it here, and what I'll do, I'll select this endpoint and I will move my clip here. Okay, my image at this position. Now if I play this clip, you will see first it go here and then it come down. If I add another animation here like this, I will move it here, and again I will select the endpoint and move my animation here. Okay, like this. Now if I play this clip, you can see first is go here and then down and then up. Likewise, if I just add another image here, okay, I will just copy this here and I will decrease its size. I will also copy this red one and again I will increase its size, and what I'll do is I will select both and then I will make them smaller. Okay, I will adjust with my another. Now what I'll do, I'll just copy all of these animation and place it between these other clips. What I'll do, I'll first select first animation and then I'll click on shift and select second and third. Now I'll just right click and click on copy. Now I will select both of these clips and then paste here. you see it will paste at the same position from start. Okay, now what I'll do is I will just first I will select all of these again and I will move it here. Now other thing what I can do is I will just move my clip and I will again move this one also. Now if I play this clip, you'll see really cool animation. You can see you can easily create these kind of animation. And now instead of moving my whole clip, I can also move my animation like this. If I just click on all of these animation and I will move it little bit further, and again I will select all of these this time and I will move it little bit further again. Now if you see, you can see how easily we have created this animation. Now if I just click on any of these animation and click on enable easing, here I have couple of options. The first is exponential in and out, okay, second is linear, third is spring, and fourth is bounce, and the first one is auto. Okay, after that if I change it to something like bounce, okay, I will do it with it also and this one also. Okay, I will just here go enable easing and then click on bounce. Okay, now you'll see it will bounce at the end like this, you can see, and for it I will add another effect. Okay, I will change the enable easing to something like spring. Now it will give it a spring like effect, you can see, and the last one I will give it another effect. I will click on exponential in and out. Now if I play this clip, you will see really cool animation here. You can see you can easily create these kind of animation here, and if you want to use this all of the already created animation, you can also use this. For example, you'll find full opacity, zero opacity, till left, till right, all of these here. Okay, now that's it for animation.